Welcome to Conjuring Rock, where we enjoy all season camping and fishing. Today we're actually down at Parrots Bay, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it when we get down at the water. Alright, so Ben insisted on taking his sleigh.
I haven't been for a good sled in a while.
Good old toboggan.
Good old toboggan.
Alright, he needs a push though.
So actually these double, they're kind of nice because they double as a toboggan.
How's it feel?
That felt amazing.
No, the ice.
That was fun, dude.
Is the ice safe?
I was a little worried going down here.
Dude, is the ice safe?
Well, yeah.
Cool. So Parrots Bay is actually a conservation area. People usually just come here for a nice little walk, but there's a big body of water in the middle and it's connected to Lake Ontario, so why wouldn't there be fish in there? There should be. We're gonna find out.
That was kind of scary, to be honest, but it was a lot of fun.
So it feels pretty solid, eh?
Yeah, it does. It's real solid. Yeah.
It's only 2.5 feet.
There's no way that's true.
If this is all 2 feet, then that's hilarious. So I've actually fished off of that point over here, and I know it's deeper than that. It's at least like 4 feet out here. So let's give that a shot out here. All right, looks like we're moving on.
Well, I'm on. Decent little perch. 10-pound perch. Parrots Bay perch. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, that was a bit of an adventure.
Yeah, man, it's fun. Always a good time getting out.
For sure. We've never fished Parrots Bay before, so that
Caught
was
one
just
perch.
Yeah, we got one perch, yeah.
So there are fish here.
Maybe we'll give this another shot another time.
Cool, sounds good.
Yeah.
I'd like that.
Anyways, hope you enjoyed that quick little episode. Hit that like button if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.
Cheers, guys.